kids. Let's learn ABCD with Dino. A is for apple. B is for ball. Dino loves to play. C is for cat. The cat says meow. D is for duck. E is for elephant, so big and strong. For fish, they swim so fast. G is for grapes, sweet and juicy. H is for hat. Look at Dino's funny hat. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for juice, healthy and tasty. K is for kite. It flies so high. L is for lion. The lion says roar. M is for monkey. N is for nest. Baby birds live here. O is for orange, round and juicy. P is for parrot. It talks a lot. Q is for queen. She wears a crown. R is for rose. Rose is red. S is for sun, shining warm and bright. T is for tree, green and tall. U is for umbrella. It keeps Dino dry. V is for van. Let's go to school. W is for watermelon, sweet and red. X is for xylophone. Let's make music. I is for yak. It has soft hair. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes.
Yay! We learned A to Z. See you next time on Little Joy World. Don't forget like and subscribe.